Okay, so look at here. It says here in the diagram on the right, HGF is a straight line. HGF is a straight line. Given that HG equals GF, calculate cos X. For A, asking for cos X. For B is asking for sin X. Okay. So, I think I missed some info here. This is 6 centimeter. And then all together will be 16 centimeter. It means here is 8 centimeter. And here is also 8 centimeter. And where is X? X is the other side here, X. Okay? So what I'm going to do is that first I label angle in the triangle. In this triangle as Y. Do you understand that Y and X are related? If I know the value of cos Y and sin Y, I will know the value for cos X and sin X. So I would say here cos Y is 8 over 10, which is 4 over 5. How do I know that? Using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, then you get the value of EG is 10 centimeter. Okay? So what you have to understand here is that this Y is representing an angle in the first quadrant. Okay? Like what we discussed before, in quadrant 1, all the angle between 0 and 90 will be positive. Second quadrant will be between 90 and 180. So E, S, T, C. All sine, tangent and cos. So this X is in the second quadrant. How do I know that? If you want to really know, you just press using, since we know cos Y is 8 over 10 or 4 over 5, you just press shift cos and you will get the angle, the actual angle. Okay? So that angle, which I do not know, let's say I want to know, then I have to press the calculator. But I'm sure it is between 0 and 90. It is like that. Okay? And then X is, because this is a straight line. Straight line means X and Y will be 180. If Y is in the first quadrant, the value of X will be in the second quadrant. Okay? For the second quadrant, the value will be the same thing, but for cos, it is negative. Because cos in the second quadrant is negative. Okay? We do not want you to change from angle to angle and then come back to the value. Okay? So similarly, for sin X, if we know that sin Y is 6 over 10, which is 3 over 5. So sin X, I'm using the same concept again. Y is in the first quadrant, X in the second quadrant. But for the second quadrant, for sin, it is positive. So it's the same thing. 3 over 5. Just for example, they're asking you question C, tangent X. So I will tell you tangent Y. Tangent Y will be 6 over 8, which is 3 over 4. So tangent X, because it's second quadrant, it is negative. So negative 3 over 4. Any question to ask?